Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets A to Z. Kids colors name. Red color, red color. Green color, green color. Yellow color, yellow color. Blue color, blue color. Black color, black color. White color, white color. Kids, now we coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids, first we draw A. A for apple, A for ant. And use red color, red color. The alphabets of A. A for apple, A for ant. Kids, again use red color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. Kids, now it is C. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C. And use green color, green color. The alphabets of C. Kids, again use green color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D. Kids, now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E. And use yellow color, yellow color. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids, again use yellow color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. The alphabets of F. Kids, now you draw G. G for God, G for glass. The alphabets of G. And use blue color, blue color. G for God, G for glass. Kids, again use blue color and draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. Kids, now you draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. The alphabets of I. And use black color, black color. Kids, again use black color and draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. The alphabets of J. Kids, now draw K. K for kite, K for king. The alphabets of K. And use white color, white color. L. L for lion. The alphabets of L. And again use white color, white color. Kids, now draw M. M for moon. The alphabets of M. And use red color, red color. Kids, again use red color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. The alphabets of N. It's letter O. O for orange, O for octopus. The alphabets of O. And use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin. The alphabets of P. Kids neither Q. Q for queen. The alphabets of Q. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw R. R for rose, R for rice. The alphabets of R. Kids neither S. S for sun. The alphabets of S. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger. The alphabets of T. Kids neither U. U for umbrella. The alphabets of U. And use black color. Black color. Kids again use black color and draw V. V for van, V for vanilla. The alphabets of V. Kids neither W. W for wolf. The alphabets of W. And use red color. Red color. Kids again use red color and draw X. X for X-ray. The alphabets of X. Kids neither Y. Y for yak. The alphabets of Y. And use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. The alphabets of Z. Kids today draw A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for duck, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for hand, I for ice cream, J for jackfruit, K for kite, L for lion, M for moon, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for vanilla, W for wolf, X for X-ray, Y for yak, and Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.